What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here. I know I've been away for a while. Um, let's just get right into it. To be honest, why I took a break is like, all right, I know all of this information. I know what to trade, but I don't know how to really enter the trades right. I was just like playing news, just playing certain catalysts, and really and truly, from looking at more experienced traders, I'm like, okay. Maybe I went at this thing backwards because, like, all right, I can know what to trade. I know what might move something, but I don't know when to enter. I don't know when to exit. So, even let me get this squared away from now. Like, if you don't know what to trade, I would even suggest just grabbing somebody's course. I'm even thinking about taking somebody's course, whether it be some of the top Forex technicals traders, just to have a better understanding of what I'm trading and apply that to my strategy. So I'm probably even gonna take more than likely either Pajamas course, Ashane's, or Alston's course, just to get a better understanding of technicals. Because I know like what to trade. I know some things that might affect certain stocks or certain commodities, but I don't know how to enter. So I've been practicing, and that's why I took a break from the channel because I wanted to be like providing more value. I don't want to be just saying all this stuff and then I don't give you anything that you can act on or execute on. And also, this channel is for my journal, so I will see how I've grown over time and see if my skill set has even got any better. And if you do things repeatedly, there's a high probability that you're going to get better. But let's get into it. Like today, I'm gonna show you what kind of trades I executed today because I never stopped trading. I'm just practicing more and trying to be like, okay, when I come back to the channel, I want to be giving back more value. So if you're not sure what technical analysis is when it comes to like trading, if you're not interested in trading and this doesn't make sense to you, you can just click off right now. But if not, let's get into it. So technical analysis. So people use technical analysis tools to scrutinize the ways supply and demand for a security will affect changes in price, volume, and implied volatility. So basically, they use technical analysis tools to find to more have a better understanding of who is buying, who is selling, what might affect the price of the stock, what might affect the price of the commodity or the currency, and like where you have a higher probability of it moving or being affected at an area. So today, even though trading is something that you can do on your phone, so even though I'm at work doing something, I also do like plumbing, heating and cooling, property management. Also have a handyman business. There's a lot of things I can do with my hand out of the phone and out of that space, but um something like trading is more scalable. None of the things I've ever done with my hand has provided me the amount of money with the little effort and the little time as trading has. So that's what I'm working on to become my main source of income. Right now, it's not my main source of income, and that's what I'm working towards. So I'm gonna show you two things. I'm gonna show you the charts, and I'm also going to show you like how I probably messed up today, and you'll see some other track records from the platform that I use. So the platform that I use is Trade the Pool, and Trade the Pool is a platform that allows people to get funded to trade stocks. So you can get funded, they give you money and they give you a percentage of the profit if you're successful. So today is November. Why is this wrong? This is saying November 6th, but these were actually trades done today, and I'll show you. Because November 6th was a Sunday, yeah. So these are off by a day. But let me just show you. So I had a losing trade. and this is taking into consideration England time. So London time, you minus 5 hours from this and you will get the time. So minus 5 hours from this, that would be 9:31. And then what did I enter? It was the QQQ. If you know what the QQQ is, if you don't know what it is, I'll just get it up right here. So QQQ basically is an ETF that tracks the NASDAQ, the tech NASDAQ 100. Let me bring it up right now. Yeah. So Invesco QQQ is an ETF, exchange traded fund, that tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, right? So I try to trade this because it's like the broader market. I'm not trying to trade an individual stock that's moved by specific news or specific catalysts. I'm trying to trade like the broader market. I would trade the QQQ, trade the SPY, probably trade Bitcoin, unless there's some specific thing to trade within there, you know. So let me see what happened today. If you don't know technicals, technicals is basically people are trading based on key areas, and also traders like to read the candlesticks and try to find a pattern, try to find something that. So basically, people try to draw the key levels, so points of support, and trade basically off of those levels. After I draw up like the key levels, then I would go down to like the 5 minute to a point where I can definitely make a trade, you know. So what, 9:30, as you can see here, this is 9:30, right? I entered by accident. This was actually a accident trade. I had set let me tell you what I was supposed to set a limit by, right? And I wanted to come to this level. So I wanted price to come to this level for me to buy up. 265.09. So price actually came here, but as you can see, this was a bad trade. So I entered at a wrong price. It started to pull down. I lost around $37, so I just exit real quick. So here, what did I do here? Around 9:33. So remember, this is London time it's tracking, right? So around 9:33, I opened with 50 shares of QQQ, right? At this price. So I got the price I wanted, the 265.08, right? 265.08 or 09. That was the level I wanted to enter. That's where I thought the market would find some support and then go up. So, all right, why would I believe that the market is going up there, right? So I believe the market was going up because of the previous day. This candle is bullish. Why? It has a long wick. You would have to see something. If let me show you real quick in the Candlestick Bible, and this is something free as well that I'm looking at, and you can probably check it out for yourself. But check out the Candlestick Bible and see if we can find the exact pattern, and I'll speed it up for you, don't worry. Okay, let me show you. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Yeah, so it's something like this: hammer or pin bar. Let's get to it. So it's something like this. So it opened high and close are roughly the same price, and it's also characterized by a long lower shadow that indicates a bullish rejection from buyers and their intention to push the market higher. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go through the entire Candlestick Bible on the channel as just a review, and then see if we can spot similar trends. It will teach me at the same time as it will teach anybody else that is watching it, and give your review of it. But it's gonna cement it for me. So I guess that's kind of selfish for me. But let's see. But basically, this, the hammer is a reversal candlestick pattern when it occurs at the bottom of a downtrend. So what they're thinking is that you have a downtrend, and then this is like the bottom that is shown by the how the candlestick is formed. Basically, sellers come in here. Whoa, no. What is it? You have, this is the opening price for selling. This is the closing price. And then you have selling come all the way down here. Buyers push it back up, right? And then, okay. So basically, just off that and just off continuously practicing and continuously looking at the charts, and also that's why you need to keep up with the news. They have midterm elections this week, and historically, whenever you have midterm elections, and then you can see there's like two houses right now, there's two parties, and it's almost certain that one party is going to have the House, one party is going to have the Senate. Historically, when you have two different parties, there's like a gridlock, and then the market takes that bullish. I'm not certain all of the factors that go into that, but that is the case, and that's what I'm hearing from most of the experienced analysts. So I knew this is showing me something bullish on the chart. What I hear in the news is bullish as well. So I figured, okay, we could go a little bullish today. So that's where my bias was today. So as you can see, this was the level that I was trying to play. And this is pre-market, this is the market, and this is post-market, right? So I entered here. I wanted to go long. It didn't go long. It started to bounce down, right? Bounce down, and you see what happened here. I entered at 26508, right? 26508. So that's right under this, right? That's where I entered for it to go bullish. I entered with 50 shares, okay? And then I entered with 20 more shares. So that would get me up to 70 shares. And then for every dollar move, I would be making $70, right? That's where I ended up with 70 shares. And then after an hour, so you see, this is 10:23 now. So let's look at where we were at for 10:23. 10:23. So 10:23. 10:23 is around this candle. Somewhere on this candle is 10:23. Let's zone in, see if we can find it. 10:23. 10:23 is somewhere in this candle, because all of these candles are 5 minutes. So this is 10:20, 10:25, right? So 10:23 would be around here. I was like, okay, I don't see the market going in my direction. I'm going to cut my losses. And you know what I did? After that, I saw the high point here where the market was continuously rejecting that price. And I'm like, okay, I still believe we're going to go bullish. I know sometimes the market will fake you out and try to play around these levels and exhaust you. And then when it comes around to like 2:30, when you're exhausted, you don't even want to trade anymore, you're tired, you didn't plan to watch the charts all day. So what I did was I actually set a stop. Right? And that executed at what time here? 2:15. So minus 5 from this, that puts us at 14:15, which is 2:15 p.m., right? So let me see what time we started to gap up. 2:15 p.m. So 2:15 is literally this candle. 2:15 is literally this candle, right? 215 is this candle, and then that crossed the point where I wanted to enter. The point that I wanted to enter was 266.63. 266.6. So that was a little bit above the high here. So I just wanted it to be like, okay, if you're going to actually run, I need to see you run with strength. So I want to see you upside with strength. And also, this is my journal. So if anyone isn't watching it, just know I'm going to keep getting better. But all right, 223, boom, and then we start trending up, because this is a funded account and they don't want to expose themselves to too much risk. They actually closed out my position at around the end of the day, and that's where I had a $88 win here. And that's basically it. That's basically, I just entered 3 trades today. Just 3 trades today. One was an accident, right? The other one I tried, it failed. And then this one was something when I said, okay, the market not going in my direction, but I still believe it's still going to go that way. If it goes that way, let me set a specific price so I can ensure that I have exposure to that in any event that it happens. So basically, that's what I wanted to show you guys. And if you want to see more, just drop a comment and can talk about it. I hope to do videos more consistently. I'm just trying to find what's the best thing, like how can I offer you the most value, like how can that's basically it. How can I offer you the most value without feeling like I'm sabotaging you or promising you something that I can't deliver, you know? Unless I can deliver, I won't try to force it. But for now, I want to just provide you the most value I can while sharing my experience with you. So, all right, hope you like the video. It's quite a long one, and I'll see you in the next one.